Hey everybody, it's Mr. Buro from Staten Island Tech, and today I'm going to be doing a demo in Revit for making a roof. We're really going to be covering the basics of roof making here, and I've created 3 different homes to demonstrate that process. One of them is a 2-story home with a smaller second level. This one over here is a ranch style home that has a circular piece to it. And then this one over here is also a ranch style home with just kind of an irregular L shape to it. So let's begin with seemingly the most complex one, which is the one that has the circular piece to it. What I'm going to do is right now in 3D, I'm going to kind of look around just to make sure everything is okay with the windows and the walls. I have everything sort of the way I do want it to be. So I'm going to go to the level 1 floor plan and focus in on that particular home. And when I pick roof, I'm using the basic roof, which is footprint roof. So a footprint roof basically means that you're picking the edges of the roof based on the walls. The roof itself is going to be based on level 2 because the home goes up to level 2. And I have an overhang preset to be 1 foot, and I'm actually going to make things simple and choose this pick wall command for going to choose where the walls are. As you can see, the offset line kind of pops up after that. It's important for you to do all of this in one sketch because these lines will automatically join themselves in the single sketch. So again, I'm using that 1 foot offset and the pick walls command, and my sketch is residing on level 2, and I've chosen my roof type here, and it appears that everything is fine. I will hit the checkbox. It says, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Generally speaking, it's a good idea to do that, so I will. Can't see the roof in this particular view. We'll go over here, and there it does appear. Looks kind of nice. This pattern does look awkward for the circular type roof, so I'll probably change the pattern in the future. With a roof by footprint, you can click it and adjust the general height of the area of the roof. Like I could raise that particular part if I want to. Or if I click on this one, I could raise and lower the entire portion of it, which is a nice feature to have. That's a good roof right there. I'm not going to be talking about putting soffits on or gutters or anything like that, but that is present over here as well. Soffit, fascia, and gutters. You can see what they look like there. It's pretty easy to do. Next, let's go to our 2-story home. This one is going to be a little awkward because I'm going to put a footprint roof up here and then an extrusion roof over here. And that's because of the way these windows are. To prepare for that, I'm probably going to raise these windows up a little bit. Okay, so raise them up and make sure they're the same level by looking at that side. Use the align command. Looks good. All right, so now let's go to level 3 because that's where the top part of the roof is going to be. Or I could just do it in 3D. Maybe I'll just do that. There we go. That's fine. Okay. So, architecture, roof, and again, I'm doing pick walls with the 1 foot overhang, and I'm making sure my roof is sitting on level 3. For this, like I said, I'm just going to pick on that wall, that wall, that wall, and then this one right here to put that footprint roof on. And that does look fine. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take notice where those windows are, which looks good over there. And I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to draw a roof by extrusion. First, it asks you to pick a plane. So I will, in fact, pick this plane to work on. And the roof is going to be based on level 2. And with a roof by extrusion, you're actually just drawing kind of like a line. I'm just going to do that. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, I do want to raise it up a little bit. This wouldn't be bad, but I do have room to raise it. So I'm just going to click on the line and press the up key a little bit. And that looks about right. Then I'm going to have to take this wall and pick attach to top. Same thing with this one. And then the front. So you can see the walls do join with the roof nicely. The only thing that now looks a little weird is that the roof is too long. So I'm just going to click it and slide this over and zoom in a little bit, and I'll make sure this roof edge aligns with the other roof edge. So the roof by extrusion does not allow a lot of customizing for its height or its shape or anything like that, because it's a two-dimensional object that's given depth. But it does in fact fit the home pretty nicely to be where it's supposed to be. Okay, so that's a good roof for that particular one. We're going to do another set of roofs over here. This one I will begin by footprint. Do the easy one. This one's also going to be based on level 2. So here, 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 and here. I'll let those walls attach. Pretty basic. And again, we can adjust the heights of these items. I think that looks great. But if I wanted it to look a little bit different, I could do those extrusion roofs again. And this time I will do it from this point of view. I think initially I want to move that house over. So let's move this here. All right, so now I'm going to pick, again, roof by extrusion. And I will pick this plane to work off of. And this one will be based on level 2. And for this, I'm going to draw an angled line downward like that. Hit accept. And then do another roof by extrusion. On this plane, and I will draw another line here. Now I could match it if I want to, like that, or I could have it staggered a little bit. Good, so I have no impact over here, no impact over here. It looks good to me. And I will very quickly just pick to attach this thing. I'm pretty sure I have to split that wall, but let's see how it goes. I'll pick attach to here. And then this wall, and this wall, and this wall, I want to also attach to here. And then this, and this, I want to attach to here. And that did work out very nicely. The only thing I'd want to do is I'd want to extend this wall over to the other side. So I would attach there, and I could maybe put some windows on there. So that's an interesting look for that particular home. or have that split roof, I'd probably put windows along the edge over here. And another weird thing we could do is if I wanted to go ahead and edit this roof again, just to show you the power of roof by extrusion. It's actually pretty interesting how it works. Instead of using a straight line, I can delete that and instead create something with a flat portion to it, like so. Or even a curved portion to it. Like that. Looks a little bit more unnatural that way, but it's doable in case you ever wanted to do something in this fashion. I could even, now that I think about it, have this particular part of the roof hang over a little bit on the other side by bringing this piece forward about that much. There. So there you have it. We have quite a few different roofs here. We did roof by extrusion over here for this piece, and this piece, and this piece, and I did a roof by footprint with this piece and this piece over here, and initially I had also done a roof by footprint here, which I can quickly put back if you would like to see. Roof by footprint, again, is the easiest way to do things, but doesn't always allow the customization that you'd like to appear. I have to edit this line. And there we go again. Okay, so that should be enough for you to be able to build a roof inside Revit. There are a lot of other customization options, like if you wanted to create those pieces of roofs that would maybe stick out a little bit over here with a little window inside. We'll show that in a later video when we're trying to do some extra customization on roofs. So use these, make sure they're visible in certain views or not visible depending on what you want to show, because you do want to be able to edit the inside of the house, use a section box, or again, turn off the visibility just by right-clicking and pick hiding the category. That's a very simple process, and I hope you are able to make the exact roof that you're looking for. Thank you very much.